Hey guys, welcome back. So, as you can see by the title, today we're gonna do DIY for individual lashes. I decided to do my own lashes because, for one, I don't normally get them done. I usually do the strips, and I'm just nervous that I would mess them up, so I'm not gonna spend $50 to $100 on lashes that I might possibly mess up. So what I did, I went to my local beauty supply store. I got 20D and J curl. That's like the shape of them. And excuse the glue on the back, but it kind of tells you, you know, where it says that it's 20 extensions from the root, tapered ends, and it's a J curl. So it's like it comes in different volumes. So and let's see that I did the ends a little thicker. Let's see if we can get this to focus. Okay, so I did the ends a little thicker and then the inside was a little thinner. I haven't decided if I want to add more to them yet. We'll see when it's all done. I put on my makeup and boom. So first I'm just going to tell you what you need. Oh, also bonnet life, you know. I haven't put on makeup and dress yet. I want to do these first. So I got the extension cluster, the medium. I don't know if you can see, but the tips of them are not bald like the other ones. They're more like a straighter, flatter one, so it's a little easier to put on. Come on. Okay, the eye and the individual long-lasting lash glue. Some tweezers. A little mirror, because if I don't have a little mirror, I cannot see, because I can't wear my glasses, nor my contacts yet. So, and then I have alcohol too, because sometimes I use the end of this to kind of push them down, and it'll wipe off the glue so it doesn't stick to your other ones. Okay, just a tiny drop of glue on the end of the extension, and then you'll place it right on your lash line. And I mean, it doesn't necessarily need to be on the skin, but as close to the lash line as possible. You'll see when I actually do the actual video after this what all you need to do, but yeah, just place it right there close to the lash line. Make sure it's on there really good and keep moving from there. And you can fill in, you can space them out. I like to kind of space them out a little bit and fill in how I want to, but sometimes that gets a little convoluted when I'm doing it myself because I can't see as good. So basically just fill it in. It's not super hard, but it's a big thing of how you place the actual tweezers, how you lay it on your eyes. Just take your time and you'll be able to do it. Practice makes perfect. Nobody does it perfect the first time around. Just remember, don't yank them out. Actually remove them with some glue and you'll be good. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Like I said, I already started on this one and we'll get done on this eye. Is because they have the little clusters or anything right here. I try to remove as many as possible at one time so I don't have to go back and forth. And only when you pour out the glue, put a little bit of glue out because it will dry fast. And you don't want to put a whole bunch of glue that you can't use at one time. So I'll probably put 3 or 4 on there and then put a little more glue. It's like a very small dab, okay?
Girl, I just coughed all these lashes on the floor. Oh no. Did you want me to pick on them? Will you help me? Yeah. Girl, let me just, I coughed and literally just blew all my lashes on the floor. So I'll be back.
So y'all, as you can see, I don't have makeup on or lashes now. I had to give you the tea on what happened with those lashes, okay? So I caught myself going to sleep overnight and wake up in the morning, go to work, whatever, see how they wear, and then come back and tell y'all, you know, with the bee face, the hair, all that. But I put this back on so I look the same through the whole video. Cute. Anyways, so I got up to get ready for work. It's like 6 o'clock in the morning, okay? I'm gonna stop looking at the viewfinder. It's like 6 o'clock in the morning. And I'm like, I go like this, and it just feels super hard. When I tell y'all, going like this, I feel like I could just crumble those motherfucking lashes off there. And it's not the lash itself, but look. See if I can get it to focus. So crusty ass bullshit. So it wasn't the lash himself, because the lashes are pretty. It was that damn glue. That glue was the worst glue that I've ever used in my life. It was horrible. I took that shit off immediately because there was no way that I was gonna go to work looking like that. No way. So it was a major fail. I don't really know if I do it again. I feel like I could have just been throwback and ghetto and used some damn hair glue, and it probably would have worked out better. But the shit was horrible. Do you hear me? And it's not that they just look bad or anything like that, because they didn't look bad. It's the way that they felt. I could feel the disgustingness all over my eyes, and that was a no-go. So yeah, I thought it was only right to come back and let y'all know that that was an ultimate fail. But we might try it again. We might. We're gonna do it with the dark. I'm not using clear glue anymore. Do you hear me? Anymore. Just had to let y'all know. Play as fuck up, you know? Play as fuck up. What can you say? But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. This week, I'm basically putting videos out almost every week. In my free time, whenever I have free time, I record a video, edit it when I can, put it out either before work, after work, in between that. Just trying to get more content out there. Like 10 more subscribers and I'll hit 100, and then maybe do a little party or something cool, because that's a big milestone. So why not, you know? So if you have any other suggestions, if you just want to say something, make a comment, give me some advice on doing it myself, well, I really don't need, I shouldn't need the advice, but for some reason I just thought, you know, clear glue was gonna be the thing to do. Anyways, it was not, and I'm probably not gonna try that for a while. I'll stick with my strips. Okay, again, thanks for watching. Subscribe. That's what I'm playing in the background. Bye.